If you are a teacher or school leader, you will be well aware of the increase in knife crime. Early intervention is key when it comes to knife crime and violence reduction, but this is a sensitive topic to address. So how do we know which approach is most effective when it comes to knife crime education? In this video, I'm going to share 3 key principles behind our evidence-based approach and explain why it's proven to be effective. Principle 1 is to focus on knowledge, not scare tactics. First, effective knife crime education doesn't rely on fear. Research shows that trying to scare young people with shocking images or stories doesn't reduce risk, and in fact it can make things worse. That's why in our Positive Choices for Life knife crime education program, we have age-appropriate content that informs but isn't frightening. This means that your pupils will learn the consequences of knife crime while also ensuring that there is an understanding that most young people do not carry knives and that they can feel safe in their communities. Principle 2 is equip young people with practical skills. If you're booking an external provider to provide education on knife crime, ask yourself, what skills will my pupils learn? Young people don't just need information, they need practical tools that they can actually use. Research from the Youth Endowment Fund found that programs that provided training in social and emotional skills were more effective at reducing youth violence. That's why in our workshops, students practice skills that will help them to stay safe. These are skills like how to handle peer pressure, what to say if someone encourages them to carry a knife, how to seek help if they're worried about themselves or a friend, and how to identify what a gang is and understand strategies that a gang may use to recruit. In the workshop, students then practice these skills through role play activities. And we do that because when students put skills into practice, they're much more likely to be able to remember them and use them when they need them the most. Principle 3, build confidence and community support. Making safe choices isn't just about the individual. It's about creating a supportive environment. That's why our program supports schools in continuing education on this topic long after the workshop ends. We provide schools with follow-up lessons and resources so they can embed this topic into their curriculum and increase teacher confidence on addressing the topic. So if you'd like support in helping your young people to make positive choices for life, you can find more information about our evidence-based workshops at OpenView Education. And if you'd like to arrange a time to talk, we are more than happy to help, so feel free to get in touch.